Now we have seen that parity generator separately and parity checker separately. Now to perform both the operations, the IC 74180 is used. Now just take down the pin diagram of the IC 74180. Now this is the pin diagram I am showing here. The IC 74180 with a 14 pins I am going to show. This is a pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Similarly 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. This is 74180. Pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Pin number 1 is I6, input number 6, input number 7. Then parity even, parity odd. Then summation of E, summation of O, ground, VCC. Input number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5. This is the pin diagram. Now we'll see the logic diagram of the IC. I74180 here in the diagram we have seen that inputs are I0 to I7 and parity even and parity odd. These are the inputs we are giving to the 74180. Now when these inputs are given to the 74180, the output generating is summation of E and the summation of O. These are the two outputs generating by 74180. Whether it is a even parity generator or whether it is a odd parity generator. Now both the outputs even parity and odd parity it is generating by the 74180. Now the inputs will write down here first. Now the inputs are number of high I0 to I7 which are active high I0, I7. The first input is I0 to I7. Now the I0 to I7 input lines whatever we are giving, these may be the even inputs, even number of I0 to I7, odd number of I0 to I7, then again even and odd, or whatever the inputs now we are giving, that is a don't care about that. Along with the I0 to I7 we are giving the input as parity even and the parity odd bit we are giving, even parity bit and the odd parity bit. Now suppose if the inputs are I0 to I7, these are even number of ones and the parity even bit, even parity bit is also 1. Here we are giving inputs to the 74180. The inputs are I0 to I7, even parity bit and odd parity bit. Try to understand the truth table. When I0 to I7 inputs are having even number of ones and the parity bit given as a input also 1 and odd parity is a 0, then the output generating is summation of E and summation of O. The output generating is a 1 and 0. Clear? Even number of inputs and even parity, then output generating is a 1. That is the summation of E. Similarly, if I0 to I7 are having odd number of ones and the even parity bit is set to 1 and odd parity is set to 0, then the output generating is a odd. Clear? Odd summation of O. Now similarly, the inputs are even number of ones and the even parity bit is 0, odd parity bit is 1, then the output generating is a 0 and 1. Similarly, if the number of inputs I0 to I7 are odd and even parity bit is 0, odd parity bit is 1, then the output generating is 1 and 0. Similarly, whatever the input values, whether even or odd, and the even parity bit is a 1, odd parity bit is also 1, then at that time the output generating by the 74180 is a 0 0. Similarly, whatever the input number of lines, whether it is a even or whether it is odd, doesn't matter, and both the even parity and odd parity bits are a 0 0, then at that time the output generating by the 74180 is 1 1. Now this is the functional table of the 74180. Now when you are giving, these are the inputs. यहाँ से है, this is the input and this is the output. Now for this input, the output is the summation of E and summation of O. Logic symbol of the 74180. Now this is the logic symbol of 74180. This is 74180. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I0 to I7 input lines. The output lines are summation of E and summation of O. These are the output lines. Now along with the I0 to I7, the input lines given as the parity even and parity odd. This is a parity even and parity odd bit. Now these parity even odd and parity even and odd bits, these are used for the parity checking of 9th bit word. The 8-bit plus parity is possible by using the two enable inputs. So this parity even and parity odd, these are acting as the enable pins for the particular 74180 IC, and it is used for checking the 9th bit because 8 bits of a data is there. So 9th bit generating is the parity even and parity odd. Clear? As we are familiar with this, if 3 bit of message is there, extra bit is added, which is a 4th bit. Similarly, 8 bit of a data, so 9th bit extra bit is added, which is a either the even parity or either the odd parity bit. Now both the inputs are the check for either the active high parity or either the active low parity. Now for the active high parity, the PE bit for active high parity, the PE bit will be done like this. It is a 9th data input. It is the 9th data input. This is for the check for active high parity. When the 74180 wants to check the active high parity bit, then at that time the parity even parity bit is negated. Similarly to active low parity bit, for the active low parity bit, I0 to I7 and summation of E and summation of O. Here it is parity even, it is parity odd. At that time the active low parity bit, the odd is going to be set. This is a 9th data input. Active low parity. So when the input is given to the 74180 in the active high parity, then the parity even is connected to the NOT gate. So means if the 9th bit is given as a 1, then 1 is given to the odd parity, 0 will be transferred to the even parity. Whatever the inputs we are giving, that is used as a high parity. Similarly here for the low parity, whatever the input we are giving, that is transmitted to the negate and then it is given as an input to the 74180. These enable bits are also used for expanding the inputs. Now if the multiple, now here in a 74180 we can handle up to the 8 input lines. But suppose if we want to extend the number of input lines, then at that time we can use 27180. This is the first 74180 to check the data inputs I0 to I7, and this is the second data inputs to check the I8 to I15. And at that time the outputs are summation of E, summation of O, summation of E, summation of O, and they are connected with the enable inputs. Now here the enable inputs we have used as a parity bits, the ninth data inputs. Okay, ninth data inputs, that is a even parity bit or a odd parity bit. Either we can send only one bit, we have to send to the 74180, either even or either odd. So when the high data input, high parity need to be give, at that time the even parity is connected to the NOT gate. When the low parity need to be give to the 74180, the odd parity is connected to the NEGATE operator, because they are using as a enable signals. Now similarly, when we want to connect the two 74180 to expand the number of inputs, then at that time the parity even and parity odd of both the ICs, these are connected together, and these are used as a enable for expanding. This is expanding the inputs by using the 74180. Now here in this case we can accept I0 to I15, that is 16 data input lines. And for these 16 data input lines, the parity bit generating, now again there will be only one parity bit, either even or either odd parity bit. So again here like the 9th data input is a cascaded. Now here the 16th data bit is a either active low or either the active high parity enabled. And then the 16 data inputs are sent to the, along with the parity bit, are sent to the receiver side. And output generating is a summation of E and summation of O. Clear? So this is expanding the 74180.